too. Ever wonder how that sleek slab of glass and metal in your pocket actually works? It's not magic, it's a symphony of incredible, tiny technology. Let's break down the magic behind your smartphone, starting with the screen you touch every day. It's called a capacitive touchscreen. Your body is naturally conductive, meaning it holds a small electrical charge. The screen has a grid of super-thin conductive layers. When your finger gets close, it disrupts the electrical field at that exact point. The phone's processor instantly detects this change in capacitance and registers it as a touch. Bets why it doesn't work with your gloves on, unless they have special conductive fingertips. It's literally powered by your touch. Next, let's talk about the camera. How does it capture such stunning photos? Inside that tiny lens is a sensor, usually a CMOS sensor, which is covered in millions of microscopic light-sensitive sites called. When you snap a picture, the lens focuses light onto this sensor. Each photosite measures the color and intensity of the light hitting it and converts that information into an electrical signal. The more photosites or megapixels, the more detail it can capture. The processor then takes all this data and pieces it together into the beautiful photo you see. It's like having millions of tiny eyes working at once. Ever played a racing game or used a map that knows which way you're facing? That's thanks to the gyroscope and accelerometer. These are MEMS or microelectromechanical systems. The accelerometer measures changes in velocity or acceleration. Think of it as a tiny ball in a box. When you move the phone, the ball moves, and sensors detect its position. The gyroscope is a bit more complex. It uses the principles of angular momentum to measure the phone's orientation and rotation. It can tell if you're tilting it, turning it, or spinning it. Together, they give your phone a sense of its own movement in 3D space. Now, for the brain of the operation, the processor, or the system on a chip. This isn't just one chip. It's a whole computer packed into a space smaller than your fingernail. It contains the CPU, the central processing unit, which does all the thinking and executes commands. It also has the GPU, the graphics processing unit, which handles all the visuals, from your home screen to demanding games. Then, there's the RAM, or random access memory, which is like the processor's short-term memory for active tasks. It's an entire command center, orchestrating everything your phone does at lightning speed. How does your phone connect to the world? That's the job of the antennas. You actually have several of them tucked away inside the frame. There's one for Wi-Fi, one for Bluetooth, one for GPS, and multiple for cellular signals like 4G and 5G. It's what lets you stream video, navigate your route, and call a friend, all at the same time. Finally, what powers all this incredible tech? The battery. Modern smartphones use lithium-ion batteries. Inside, there's a chemical reaction involving lithium ions moving from a negative electrode, the anode, to a positive electrode, the cathode, which creates an electrical current. When you charge your phone, you're just reversing that flow, pushing the ions back to the anode. Engineers are constantly trying to cram more power into a smaller, lighter battery, which is one of the biggest challenges in smartphone design. So, the next time you pick up your phone, remember the tiny universe of technology inside. From the electricity in your finger to the chemical dance in the battery. It's a masterpiece of engineering that truly powers your life. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.